In fact, one in ya Kwadwo Akofena, one in the affairs so what children say, oh, where Oba Bema. Case na no day. Eti Adwoa Sarfo no. Was what in unity. Now when I'm saying you don't get your skills, was what tinity. And not just any independent square hole. Adwoa Sarfo ni enim. Ye die ye ni mo bio. Ye ni mo bio. Adwoa Sarfo ni enim. Adwoa to park. Dear to park ye ya no eno ano no so aye. What the frunas ye ni nuano. Or the apostle Koyes Sarfo no. What dodge ni nuano. Wa yini sulia. Wa yini sulia.
That you can see and also not buy.
You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Akofena.
Okay, eti Kwadwo Sarfo Akofena anopay what the simple message abeto abonten say. Adwoa Sarfo calling for a new war. We a war time. Or say Adwoa Sarfo start a new war. It will be a show time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show time. Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka chiri show time. Now when you say Adwoa Sarfo ni nua be me wo hu. Oni ni nua be ma no. Say Matuti ni say Kwadwo ne hyase o. Kwadwo no call court bae no. E no be say o yawie yate Adwoa ti yatinity. Wo ye no say yatinity yate Adwoa ti. O de we ade he. Etina say Adwoa Sarfo so responding we ye. Hey, get we oni ni nua we mo ye bad.
Ti asem na court ama Akofena di nkunim na wadi nkunim ne friend say ase du keti akra fa no what you say o twa kon emini amanfo mini no otenko a ade ya nka oba no pese ono na ya fa sori no any too many na sori nsa no no pese nka ono mom na nka chese oye yiye no ayi meba mame responding to sa ojedwentwe bia yini to ase we see my meba ma huso ojedwentwe bia yini to ase mame nto venom ngono so why you see a fro jodi and dey oda musa mujimi no MPP nyawe enso ukuro mu ahiafo eco school free uni no wo si hiani no wo mu fin ahiafo no eco school free because of this MPP ntia udi NDC achi wo twen Mahamati bonkoso bedi o man so mudi o man so no ehimfa na wo hu se mutimiko school free kurasefo MPP ena ma mko ufiefu ahiafo no amhu fin amugumfuturo no no mko school free ede na MPP ama Ghana be ye nyina nya MPP na atima be hyehye ne ma bo bibi ba ko a NDC ababe sika o ma ba wi nyina sa kwa na wa hye sa account ese frɛ wo ayi Joe Hwan no because as we ye day unu fiefo no nananom muntimi fa mo ntoto asantefo da mu ye day asantefo te mo konso fi sɛ ye ne ye bie ye di ye hu ni kyɛm ye kuro mo ye ye bibia bi ye bo ye ho moden ɛno ntina mo tai no ɛno to kofi a wo no obetete mo a wo twere nkwase ye buku di ma mo a mu hia mo nananom mu hia ntia ye mo sa asantefo na ye mu problem eti kakra bi a asantefo ye tribalist o twen na wo hu fi no pesa asanteni ni o mepe no o da foma ye betieti aso akwa agya wo je sa o sori no ba beto ye why Ghana be ye nyina afra asantefo Ghana be ebe ye nyina afra asante na mo ne dodo no MPP papa wa Ghana wo mo ne toto niema ene mi kan sa akwa ya wo sha account ye chi a wo se ye fro si hwan asantefo ye tribalist no okuro mu fi ni mu hu fi no ekufu ado na ama mu ko school free enka mu sori ade mbedi kura ka ho oden kurasefo a ma begu mama Ghana asai ye nana no ba kyekere Ghana na mo ba frefre yade mo fifiri ba bia ba fra Ghana na kurasesem sei Ghana be ye nyina fra asante ene MPP na ma Ghana yi jeje runs betena Ghana so musa de ode ye Ghana
batonto japade e no say kuro no bobo project ade bia amagana ko nanim e MPP aban wo de next ya bra ha say na betwere nkwase asem mo jimi a mudi mahama no ti bonkoso na chi na ye motisi ye kan dis asem na mo jimi no e me no wawie mama mfe no wo de sa ya sa bra de betwere bi fa asantefo wo beteme nkan wai wa jimi no a Mr. Sankrofo na magana as anya de bi o cause omo wutwo na jimi na kuro no omo nananom a mo bra nti da bia no omo tamfo ayi obi a obobra yes sane yatete omo kurasefo yanku ye ni ma bi even waguno so o de sa matwere bi o now Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka we no ono na say okodi ka akoye se mate Adwoa ti ahurade so wo di ka akoye se watility wo de hwade
wo say yi na we mu ti asem na court ama Akofena di nkunim na wadi nkunim ne friend say ase du nketi akra afa no what you say o twa kon emini amanfo mini no otin ko ade anan ko ba no pese ono na ya fa sori no eni tumi ni na sori sa no pese ko ono mom na nka chese oye yi no
enti enno mi sa hu video nam na Adwoa Sarfo no nua ya de a we matuti no sa ase no se ase no ntia se Kwadwo ni ye ni bi nti ono so anya no watimi abone mafia no onso se bagie
that you can see and also not buy.
Your void.
Enti Adwoa Sarfo ye no se wo Akofena wo tiri ko matuti se wo ye no papa no masie no wa mapi wo besu awu ene wo se Kwadwo wo besu awu ene no ye na se wo no Independence Square whether injunction no injunction Adwoa Sarfo ye showdown woman Gaddafi Adwoa to park Adwoa ye nyewdeni uye bue to park ye nyewdeni uye bue Adwoa Gaddafi ye nyewdeni uye bue Adwoa matuti ye nyewdeni uye bue Akofena dwalai ene ye wadwa pa Adwoa Sarfo wo ye wotibitizi pa o na say ye ne papa ye no ye yo wo kire ni nuane say me ba yansa na wo ba wiase court no enkosi hwe mahama wo pa wei indiscipline Ghana no Mahama and this Mahama were indiscipline no about power idea hwinsi Ekrobi na settings nkwa the whole country on settings na ndisi ba power kra de na ye west ndisi nya ba power pe kro no nyina settings nkwa urehwe senior woman Adwoa Gaddafi Adwoa womba Adwoa mismo na kan no Adwoa ewurade Adwoa Sarfo ye mafia settings nkwa tese ni papa yi ase no eyakuti anko na omde koye akuti anko ba dia me won say e man no so bonichi domo na Jack na say e man kasa mo kan bo ma mo ye powerful pa mo timi defeat mema ho na say e ma unite a of ko ma enye yi because uswe sade asore na mu ma nyina beta Adwoa Sarfo achi a Kwadwo ntimi nyina no entoko we pa de Akofena yi fa wa ko de gu ho na mo twen 1 year no dura why na ye ne de again wa ya ye no wa ye papa na yi o hwe investment a wo ye Adwoa Sarfo wo ye guy Adwoa ye guy
ampa ebusia we de ade de why ade again I ade why ade Akofena so na tese said ade na ye no but Akofena so asem bi obeka na no pe no guy no prepare Adwoa nya ready guy no prepare wo da muntwe obeka asem ye bre o te se wo hu sa video yi no
that you can see and also not buy.
You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Sarfo Akofena.
Enti chama say hey Adwoa kantokwa wakantokwa nentokwa no waka no onde wasere Akofena se wasere ene wobisa kosa se nese se wokɔ hɔ ana wankɔ no ɛyɛ okay wobisa kosa wose nese se wokɔ hɔ ana wankɔ no ɛyɛ okay abusia for comment section said yes ade ne kɔyɛ ye no nese Akofena kɔ hɔ ana se wankɔ no ɛyɛ wobisa question no said ade ne si kɔyɛ ye no so wokɔ hɔ anka yɛ ana se wankɔ no ɛyɛ now we say this is a new war. Josafo, so bomi makutia, obia me papa. So obia me papa say, me na me yani doba was me son ni. No what me yako for papa na dia suovu me yako see no. Hey, case na anoding. But said your guy in the city no, on fancha geno, on fancha no. Hey, me say one here, obekwa ko dwiri dan no kra to agu. Wo dia mo bo once what did that to agu? I say, sir, Margaret, a chance say, Otimi Yahweh. Margaret, a chance say, Otimi Yahweh. What's real? Once Sereno Serene, it speaks a lot of volume, and or Sereno. Said the Union a guy named Sereno, and your boko. Said the guy named Sereno, and your boko. And your boko.
You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Sarfo Akofena. You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Sarfo Akofena.
Asamaba! Eti nana kwadwo safuna Akofena. Adwoa safo ma ne show down wa. Me gidi se ne yure mfida. Ne yure mfida o. Ne yure emfida. Na adwoa safo no wo dene. Wo hye de wosi tie no a wo se oye papa ne replica. Na wo se wo no papa ne wuda eto na so ntinu. No baga waya. Ti say wo twa for court so waye de obeye. In fact enura pa wo hye enura wo de hwe dina no mo ye no. Hwedina no ano hye kwe what investment Adwoa Sarfo, that's right. Where you dinner on after say you say your party hano de amfo kotena se say we na your party Adwoa Sarfo actual levels. Etina say was boka 40 billion. Was boka 40 billion. Eti Akofena was unika pro. Was unika pra what be say yina won waye no. Eti kan wan tum. Enu kan ka just say okra no was the bond so the bail so.
Back to light and colored. And I'm reminding on one in the boys to say they na ya dia ma omo no. They are or they are under a bond to be of good behavior. Yeah, throw to Ghana Police Service to give us the protection. Yeah, throw to all the security agencies that yeah, cry your papa sada will.
but you abusafo sadie we adentina tesa no asa busuya bia mu obi ni na chiri ba so ekoye oba ne be ma omani nhia me se me ni ma chiri ba me ni na nhia but wo hwa ade ntia me come dia cho me ni ma chiri ba no me ni na nhia wo yoba me ni na nhia sa wo hwa ade ntia but omo amani afinu ade wo hwa ade a wo ni wa chiri ba no so wo be ma se na ase ni netie sadie na etim se eya ye normal wo wiase o wo mu a obi ni na chiri ba fo no se koye oba ne be ma wo mani nhia wo hwa ade ntia but omo amani afinu mo ncheche mu kakra ampo real but wo hwa obi ni na chiri ba fo no wo hwa ade ntia wo se ekoye oba ne be ma ya no mani nhia ade ntia. Yes, we'll be crack confirm me. Ibuatin was say I my sister too. It's especially what my kind of message, you know, when the female is older. And sadly, mentiasi. I mean, obiso say equia papa video was no on the way okay with Nechiribano. Adwoa be say the boys are. They are naturally and yamoho. Hey, some sa. But maybe material. I mean, I'm China about meaning an inchiasa. I'm a real mechanical natural, meaning an inchiasa. Mentano by meaning an inchiasa. But I just have union, son almost a case now. Yes, I will be so confirming, Mammy. Yes, also myself and my brother are very cool. Sir, yeah, you can be cool. Well, no, me cool. But when it comes to power struggle, no, I want to have friction about. And yes, I'm cool, David. A power struggle, sanity. Yes, thank you, Jeba. Say, Drew, sir. I don't know the crab. Say, sanity. Say, Obidu, what you know about. And that's why, Bema. Power, a do be a 2 me one, answer be leaders of I want the problem, never. It be a unya experience, unya nyanko sa entanglement on India. Yes, he what he said, the boys are the problem. You will get over it. I try to understand her these days. Ibwatin. Ni ibwat we be man obadi what you want. Okay. Be a ibwatin. Yes. Good God say Adwoa Sarfo is ignorant and ungrateful to Christo Asafo members. Sir. But when nipa no so edi na chi nipa no do so pa o. Wakachi cruise pow. Yes, Nana Kwame say my sister is okay to me, bro. Okay, but you and yes, be a no problem. Me can just be a no problem. No more problem. But the tell say when it comes to power struggle, say do have some person struggle. People be no do more no. Also, we want in you fine. Yes, be a more man so there. But once be by no a trigger. My Patricia, my brother and I are very nice, sir. Fox B said. Are they born from same mom and dad? Women no menya sure am say we ma menko na we ma menko. Obia ma menko. Omo free papa baako ya. Eni bia no so a problem. Ibwat says she likes your program. I'm sure she's listening to you. She's called Amma. She's in Germany. Yo, what you do actually Amma, mama, auntie Amma ye chiao. Oh, Germany ye chiao pa. Nana Kwame say my sister is Aku, it's okay to me. You are any year. But I'm say bibiam ma wo de bibin so mabusuan na eye so we wonu benya problem. Wo de wo ne benya problem. Yeah. E bi anya mai. So we no mo ye fine pa. Yes, no mo ye fine pa. Kwadwo William say yes, it's true. Also it's true, me and my senior sister are very my senior sister every day we fight. Yes, Kwadwo so de no. Eya na nyesa motam but bibi ba na hu. I don't know. More money if you are one. Was my two girls are nest fight a lot, but they love each other. Yeah. Mr. Anamika said, not because they hated themselves, so Debbie, but they will fight. Omoya obidin bema no omoya obane bema no omudi omhocha. I don't know. Mary Rose say yes, me the same. It no omoya fine. Yes, be omotamu. Oh. So we cry to be quite way, papa. No, we have done so internet soon now. Bemano. No, better than I do. I made us a pound. Near man at the bar and saka. There's a video now. But power struggle, no, I say. And then the cookroom nebanon. So, and the cookroom nebanon. Basso light and colored.
And I'm reminding on one in the boys to say, they are not yet Yamamono. They are under a bond to be of good behavior. Ghana Police Service to give us the protection. You are true to all the security agencies that you are crying Papa Sadawu. In Pennyfo and Rami, Betu, you are fresh phone. So, Adwoa, we got the invitation. What is happening? Is it coming on? The Speaker of Parliament.
Eti, Utie wrote Root Gold Star. Was yes, me and my younger, we always fight. We have never come to any agreement. My mom always have to come in. Yes, you see, root to so dear no. So, and to sad dear na, I'm saying, well, a be a no be but mostly a wabusia BM, sad dear no wabusia BM. I mean, sometimes we need to face reality. Now, I didn't want a wabusia BM. A ya bear man in the chili bus or your bar, one more sa entanglement to a ho. A real. So, I don't know ho. Bebre, what, you probably bet me a confirming. Yes. And you probably bet me a confirming. Eti enye won say akwesa Joseph no say was wa mani nuane showdown. Adwo no so no say wa mani nuane showdown. So yes, wa kire ne say not bibia ne ho e ne hu. So because ono na e pani.
Asante hire tuna nam sinema na ma ho ekwo ya mamra mana sade di na asie what the nifa okase ma ya so ne to tuma se what na ya so what ya so obi ya so de atia what ya so anya duma na anya duma no leader aso be pamo en konfonsema so usu badu no di na be so ya so re pa dia so pani you have your force by your lawyer never born ma so de nyina I wouldn't say a constitution. It's only same word. You papa amendment or you all kind of say who somebody what man kind of say you need to and I would do it there but enough to see
Inti one case no how you see it's in natural settings be wa as you justify it would tell Lady B so the same problem Lady B yes mahule or say yes or mommy no oba na penny I say the boy is the eldest. Okay, ne babe man ye pen aketo no 22 but every day one more or say yes, I've been fighting with her. Yes, Lady B so no. Lady B so also the same problem. I didn't say normal. Say we normal we busia BM. Yes. Now you also say yes. Supposed to keep down the line azankwa. And then now you the so 2 point last the ball so, eti ade na say wabusia bia mu. Yeah. Ade na wabusia bia mu. Say Lady B so confirm say ono so oba ne be masa. Eti omo yi no abusua mu asem no a. Eti be ma ne hu say ese wo take over na oba no so mpene no. Joseph no say ono so obema show down. Yes, A class is normal. Yes, A class say is normal. Eti kwa Joseph no say ni nua na kire ne kafia. He said to obey day. Church members no so do na dey do o machi o. Church members no do na do much but unim say ye it is a lumba de na nipa bebre panifo bebre anko.
on say the same thing panifu be brankwa ye because obeda akọ because said ya de na akọ tse lumba de no pepepepe obeda akọ ye no etinipo be branko but church members no omo support akoso ya Adwoa Sarfo no more than we know yeah omo support we know na Akofena so na wase de ne besi
you avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Sarfo.
Yes, no be say reason. The auntie says I didn't enuanim support omunuan. Yes, and on the shocking part. No say omo no bia papa nko. Enuafo no on omuni. On dodo no bia papa nko. Ai obia maame nko. Dodo na obia free maame free baby. Eti adena kwaye say na kwaye power struggle no awo. Eti say Denise ni Calvin mo ne wo sa lumba case na pepepe wo. Wo de enuafo ni wo de hwe omo.
Yo.
Eti Adwoa Sarfo ni nuam dodo na ata na chide but wo no bia so no ne maame we mo bia ne maame so enti ono ne we na senior woman etu dodo no ta na chi wo de hwe nuam no mo say be say nwotwe de wo mo nyina 8 of them no wo mo ta wo sister penny na chi ne wo say wo ma te wo mo nua penny ni ti Akofena ya tuti
The mama is smiling mafia. Make I a champion! Yeah, shouts to my godfather Akofena, man. I know you guys are here. Shouts to
conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have gone or I shouldn't have done it? I'm Sarfo Akofena.
But Adwoa Sarfo so wanya de kra o. Adwoa anya de. Sa Akofena pa nko beba no wabetena na pakem. What my guy show down say, Adwoa wonye. Adwoa Sarfo wonye. Adwoa we de wanya de. Wanya de kra. Na Akofena pa nko obabetena na pakem. Nanka yoni wo sana sani benkuma say, you know what? Hey, Adwoa Sarfo. Na Akofena pa ukasambre was obetena pakem nyina o. So mo ahenie be no mu die. Say ahenie be. Me sika chama ye be suale chen. We de mia na menu no ma me kika bi nkire no. Aka wo ba be sakete dindindin pa ne bonkum ketesa. Girigiri pa o. Ene ka bonkum ketesa de ka be yire. ko ba be kyekere ko be kyekere ni se ya no wo kyekere ni bunkum no wo kyekere benkum ni fa no wo pagya wodi agor ko ahwe obetuma sakura te se wo ahwe obesa odu kotoko hina nim ko obesa se kuru ni ene dia no wo mo no wo ma ahini be na ya no mudi ni sa no because emre bi mi hu picture bi ohun apostle Kwadwesafo ne mi pena sempa ba mi hu picture bi sa picture no me sure say ka ho bi ma enipa bebre santefo ahima santemem ahimfo ne bebre ene papa ne benya problem me dey asem we ma men kan pain hwe me dey picture bi kira na me nyai picture bi a me hu ye na nye because papa no wo wasantemu na asante so ye wura na mahini na modie no mi untena ntia se mo ye bibi kra ba so mo ye mane ko mo to da bi o mutimi bomana ne bi ye nye ba bia ne bo sa manane no but wo ka say wo se papa no wo sika na but amamra ne amane ye kwa so no it was wrong men ka se papa na dia wo ya wo project culture na nye o but amamra ne amane ye kwa so picture bia me hu na nye on films o de ma me fa nkyira na mo hwe ade o de ma me fa nkyira mo na mo hwe obi a hwe bi o sante hene ni o de hwe ade sante hene ni na engineer Kwadwesafo kantankani. Can you imagine? Why sante ni wo fra asumunya wo hene sumunya wura wo hye sante hene ase yesum sante na sante hene sante ma wura aba. See, it was not the best. It was not the best because ti we mu nyina no me dey you see untimi ntrase nchia sante hene ba on so obesra wo ba on ka hwe but me dey me hu ni say sa ni ma we mu nyina no wo sante ma mu a men wo dey even we powerful say don't try this. Don't try this. And imagine, because you see, you was antimemo no, was santimanus wura. Into a total come to me bomb and be, Namisi there be, a mamma money across more chia. But you say, Sika, a control your mother, no be a son count the che. Well, Mimi, what dear way, no, me and said, no, Abraham is Abraham, who's Adam said there be. A pemma, and you may be her, but for better more through. I never be home, but, it was not the best. What your papa di okobat me mfanya futu mama ma ka kire no obetuma di wahini bia but eso hunu amamre ne amane ye kwan so fi say wo ye santini pia oduanani na aduana ne sutini asumnya ho na ofre efusuma so wo wura asumnya wura no so wo som sante ni wura ne sante hene nti how much was so sante hene chia na ate ho hey me hu way it was shock to me wa hunu bia de we ma obi an repeat bi even though something na betra wo on kan hwe but ebeka say na samuni eseka mo kire nipa no say there be at least esa wo pa bibi kura na wo yet say me see unya won say kantan kan timi nya bigger than something ne there be ya wo full respect me nipa no but no amamre ne amane akwa so it was so wrong to mo bia repeat say de ne bi o but ye wura no on kan kire wo I mean obefa no normal no wako but yeah asante for said ye nyina ye no etimi bi hu sa de we no ni nyina no sabi panifo betima di nkomo okokwa mo yo ti yesremo ama yesa ama munye bio ama munye sa de ne bio yes wa we ti sa bia wo tumi sa kura menye sa de ne bio wo sante nyina nim obi an kan jo me can pay because we ye there enye ma obi a wo tumi sa dey sante nyina nim menye sa de no. Yes. Otu for the ono so be yin ani, no, dey no be ka kire. Won ka hwen kire wo. Dabi. Munu ma me ka kire mo won se no ehine ahinansa ahimfo bi wa no makọ ye wura ho, no makọ cheche, no makọ ye shoulders. Se muntimi nko bi o. Omo nyina o ma stop yo mo. O say o sante nyina ni muntimi mo ho mra nse wo de ne ho. Dabi sante nyina ni muntimi mo ho mra ne sa. Sa ne mani nyina no amamre kwa so nya sa na tie. O pa bi sa panimu bi abeka kire wo. Amamre ni amane ye kwan so sante hina ni ye mo homna ne same yode ne ho putie de ye ka no sante hina ni mutimi mo homna ne sawe we yode ne ho dabi emra ni bia ya no mbobo no tie sante mam ye wo wura wo so we sante ni di atede ye me kana se wase o kona ye wura tu obi so onko ba bia o kobusa kurukuro no ye tu ase etu na no ene ase ye why wase pa nkansa buadu ye menhia ye wura so wonko a kobusa kuru na se mpanin se menya na anya na mba be kirim now wo to me say dey papa enedi okoba ma mo bi anye bio mo bia no ma me bia nya bio ko busa na na abrewa no won kan kire why okọ akobi bisa mo bia nya bio o ka se ai se ka ye ka si ye ne ai ka si an ka si ne be ya na o de fancy nti wo mo amamre ne amane no a Akofena mo ye no eso wo mo ehunu se ye game agro bi na bia mo project a ye so eye but now o mo amamre ne amane ne bebre no me wo che de hu but se on to da na won na ya soa no na wo boketi na nsa asane bi wo ha ye nyoba bia na ye sasa si wo chechire me bibia na ye chechire nyoba bi wo chechire so you very careful so nyoba bi pre wo but o fa no normal wo mo be ka kire bu wo kan kire because wo sika na wo ye de ope obi an kan kire but uduru ba bia ye be ka kire wo ti dia me kan ye amamre ne amane ye kwan so de mo ye ne ye right but on traditional side no nyoba bi pre no e go overboard e go overboard. There be sabre no papa no wonyare bia no word papa no wonyare we very strong almost so wonyare we very strong man. Yes, but I understand the situation here. I understand no wonyare nti obi a wo te asase we this time around man obi anya sade ni bio because yewura de won kan kire ba me me come say ade we won so was not the best. It was not the best. Yeah. What would to me say day many sadi ni bio.
That you can see and also not buy.
You avoid conflict to keep peace. You start a new war within yourself because you keep battling. Should I have?
And obi kra twere say was say hu adwoa na oda kombo chini so yes. Anyway, sika o omo sika nti de ompe ometima ye but me kire say wudi du ba bia amamre ne amane adwuma ye be du mu chini nya ye be bo chini mu tu sei. So ye be bo chini mu tu pay so aha yebobo chini mutu tie de ka no wo ne ma bebre ya church ne ye no yese papa ne de mutu say ye project ye culture but yo mo ye ne ye but amamre ne amane ye kwan so makọ open ene mo bebre no emfa enyanfa amamre kwan so makọ ompota pen me some hu ni say wo hinba ntim bare ma ye nipa ne ye ko mitie nsem bia ene nsem bebre wo mo ka no ye nkeka kasa ene mo bebre wo mo ye no ye different from asantesem ne amamre ne amane yesem wo baka ko kan ba bia be chude dua emra ne bia ya no mo bo papa no ye nkan sa anyway ore ye fancy ja wono ko but mo maka kire no me kase wo munya sa so ne papa no ko mo am obedi na ade no mo hwe ni ye mo hwe ni ye pa mo hwe ni ye no bi class wo hu sa Adwoa Sarfo ye de kini yesi ne so nyina so ono ane o ni sika o nti akoto kini yesi ne so abene de but oduru ba bia ahini ye wo de a on betu atofo na wo so de enwum de wo nim twa o kiso asafofo wo nim nim twa ten obi a wo Ghana enwum wo betimi asu anwum within seconds e be je wonsem kiso asafofo no we was anwa no maso anwum de ama Adwoa Sarfo wase onyame dada no de Adwoa Sarfo a ne nim wo nim obi a je sa Adwoa Sarfo but emra mu so no Adwoa Sarfo ntimi ni asore nanim to on de obeye na dwuma se obekura ne papa echi Adwoa bai so obekura ne papa echi eno ano no wakura ne papa echi awie ba sorry ne de otimi ne but nipa no so say Adwoa no ono ano munim no ono ano munim but otimi ne sorry ne nim so But you comment will be say, Lady V say, I think Japan injected some of his blood into his baby mama. Okuta Kennedy spirit in your own. Non-stoppable. I just have here non-stoppable. I say, on any woman, on Tomo Tanache, you do the idea. When you have transfer the energy kakra man, because Tomo Tanache kakra. Okay, entina sabusia dia da ekoso ya ni Petri. So far, mpacho reti Adwoa Safomaye. Ne organization ne papa befitting barrier. Some pasa what see papa no a. O man percentage o be man say. O be man 100 over 100 and I say 80 over 100, 70, 60, 50. Mami who comment session. So far, why are there? We hwe no dinner organize ya. And so what Diana Jono. Pacho, so far, Oberman say, on half himself, Oberman is 0. Root is over 90 plus. If what is 10 over 10. On half him, Saturday, why all day? On half him, Adwoa all day. Queen Star woman 100%. Woman Gaddafi, yes, woman Ken. On heaven's woman is 0. Have you? Now Kwame say, yeah, Kwame VVV. Also man 40. Daniel, you must have a man 5 over 100. Adwoa why am there boni ba no de why nyina achi hwedi na wo hwe wa hwedi na hwe agitwedi amponko na etimi frɛ no ye na nasafu frusre Adwoa ya de yes Adelaide say woman 100 Adwoa ya de woman Ken Adwoa to Park Adwoa woman Gaddafi Adwoa Busle Adwoa Jetli Adwoa no nonsense my ye na my yemasi no call to judge kura mu fionko. My Patricia's of man 50%. Why are they? Vivian Zen was man 85%. Apia Amos also man 80%. Thank you. Why are they? Alberta West also was the reason I could see from your eyes. Adwoa is attracting you. Yeah. Adwoa. Me pardon, me boss ni pardon. Me boss baby mama no share. Yeah ni mjemo yeah. President most of them 90 over 100 and why are they? Now you say Adwoa showdown. Adwoa Jetli. Yes, Charles Ortain. I said that one. She herself said that she can't lead the church. Yes, won't me? Yeah. Jay Bass said the dinner was for the rich. So for Sikafordia, obey day. Baby mama, yeah, baby mama no. Joseph Ofori, I'm for some man 5%. Adwoa, one more town in Abra, but 2 more team. Adwoa ti omuti ti omuti.
But you can see and also not buy.
Eti Adwoa ti omuti eye ye do mbesi ase ye nto aso. Ye nto aso. Eti ye no Adwoa wi ye baby mama no ai. Me boss baby mama nti every day. Yes, asida no Esther say man 100% well done. Yes, Daniel Jumo yes, Vida upon so man 90%. Thank you. On FM there, when a man for say omo for some yes, Adwoa yeah, the akan be kwana no nua no mon solve the akan. Why?